to my YouTube channel. My name is Siti Amalia Diana, and I'm student of English Education Study Program. In this channel, I want to share you some video which is like a review, a tutorial, and so on. And in the first video, in this video, I want to share you a tutorial how to use an application to provide your speaking. Your speaking skill. What is it? What is that? Is it an ORAI application? What is ORAI application? ORAI application is application who can boost your speaking skill with know how do you speak, and that application you can see how fast you are when you speak, and in that application we can practice our speaking skills. So check it out. First, you must visit Google Play Store and type ORAI. After you look like that, you can install the application. Wait a minute. After you install, you can open the application. After that, click create account like this and type your name like that and continue, and you can choose what do you want to create account. If you have the account, you just click I have an account and wait just for a while until the application open and the display can become like that. If you have finished sign in with your account, you can see the display of the application will be like this, and there is a lesson, practice, progress, and recordings. And this is also there is an practice day by day. Click day 1, and before you start exercise 2, you must click exercise 1, and you can click start exercise and until the application open. After that, you can see this display and you can click continue. You can see these 2 clips and you must try these 2 clips and just follow the instruction. After that, you can continue the second exercise. After you try the exercise 1, just click start exercise 2. Wait a minute, and then you can see the display like that. Just click let's get started and click let's get started. You can see the syllables and it will make you a graphic for your pronouns. Practice by the lesson in the application. This application also provides you a practice by yourself. You can practice it by on yourself and just click practice now. The display will be like that, just 15 seconds, and you can go back to the home. And if you want to look the progress, you can see this. There is an graphic record minutes per week. There is a total recording count, total recording time, and recording time this week. And this is recordings, all of your recordings. You can see like this, there is an average your pace. You can see word clarity. This is show you by a percentage. You can also see the graphic of your speaking skills, and this is a review. But if you feel you are not satisfied with your result, you can click record again, and this is also can be shared to the many applications like WhatsApp, Line, Instagram, and Bluetooth, Drive, Gmail, and many more. And if you want to see speech one, just click speech one. Wait a minute. Actually, this is also same like recordings before. There is a graphic and the percentage. I think this application has so many advantage for me and for us to boost our speaking skill, and I hope you can also use this application every day. Thank you so much for watching my first video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next my video. Bye.
Audio Jungle.